In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PayPal account in Germany in just 5 minutes. Opening a PayPal account is a straightforward process, but it's essential to get everything right to ensure a smooth start. First, begin by navigating to PayPal's German homepage, which you can find at paypal.de/home. This is where you'll start your journey toward opening a new account. Once you've landed on the homepage, look for the sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy for you to find. Clicking on this button will guide you to the next page where you'll decide the type of account you want to create. For personal use, select the personal account option. This is ideal for shopping online safely or sending money to friends and family. After choosing the personal account, click on Get Started to proceed to the next step. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter your basic information. This includes your name, a valid email address, and creating a secure password. Make sure you choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to protect your account from unauthorized access. Following this, it's crucial to select Germany as your country to ensure your account is set up correctly based on your location. Next, PayPal will prompt you to provide more detailed personal information. You'll need to enter your full name, address, phone number, and any other required details. This information is necessary for account verification and security purposes. PayPal takes privacy seriously, so your information will remain secure and confidential. With your personal information updated, you have the option to link a bank account, debit card, or credit card to your PayPal account. Doing this allows you to make online payments seamlessly and transfer funds between your bank and PayPal account with ease. Depending on the payment method you choose, you might need to verify your account further. This might involve linking your PayPal account to your bank account or providing additional information for identity verification. As you approach the final steps, you'll need to review PayPal's terms and conditions. This document outlines important information about your rights and responsibilities as a PayPal user. It's a good idea to read this thoroughly before you proceed. Once you're comfortable with the terms, click Agree and Create Account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PayPal account in Germany. With these easy steps, you're now ready to enjoy secure online payments and money transfers. Whether you're buying online or sending money to loved ones, PayPal offers a reliable service to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful guides.